Are you dreaming of a neighborhood that combines charm, convenience, and community? Let me introduce you to one of Knoxville's hidden gems, West Hills. This might just be your perfect place to call home. Hi, I'm Kelly Brewer with eXp Realty and Epic Outcomes team. Are you curious about making a move to Knoxville? Or maybe why West Hills is one of the standout communities here? Stick around, and in this video, I'll show you all of the amenities and the lifestyle that West Hills has to offer. And in the end, I'll give you my top tip for finding a home here in the West Hills area.
West Hills is known for its lush greenery, its parks, its beautiful landscape, but what really makes it a special community is the community itself. It's a well-knit neighborhood that has real appeal for families in the Knoxville area. At the heart of this community is West Hills Park, with its basketball courts, playgrounds, pickleball center, trails, walking, the G&T Greenway, which leads throughout the area. It's a tremendous opportunity for families to both be in the city, but have a sense of outdoors. And it's a perfect place to spend time enjoying this beautiful weather that we have in Knoxville. In addition to the park system, you'll see families gathering over at West Hills Elementary for various activities. It's a popular epicenter within the neighborhood and hosts a number of different elements throughout the year. It also happens to be the home of the West Hills Community Association, something that they take seriously here to keep that sense of community alive. As you drive around West Hills, you'll notice plenty of families out walking, neighbors on porches, visiting with one another. It's a strong sense of belonging to something, and that is one of the greatest appeals of the West Hills area.
West Hills offers a mix of mid-century homes, modern renovations, and everything in between. Most homes were built between 1950s and 1970s. So you'll find things like ranchers, split-level homes, and a lot of Cape Cod styles. Fortunately, there's been a lot of great renovations here, but still keeping that modern vintage charm. As far as home prices are concerned, West Hills, you're generally in between $350 to $550. If you're looking for a bigger 4-bedroom home that's been fully renovated, you're looking at starting around $650,000. Now, if you need something smaller, West Hills also offers some condos that are right in the heart of it all and a lower maintenance option. So if you're looking for a neighborhood where a lot of the homes have their own character, still keep their vintage charm, and no cookie cutter renovations here, then West Hills might just be for you.
Location matters, and when it comes to location, West Hills delivers. Located just off of I-40, just west of downtown, and in the middle of it all, it has proximity to everything that you could want in a Knoxville neighborhood. It's adjacent to Bearden and Sequoia Hills, two other highly desirable areas, and just down the road from Cedar Bluff, which offers tech and office jobs. One of the biggest perks is Westtown Mall is literally right next door, with Apple, Sephora, and hundreds of other stores, not to mention a newly renovated food court and a Cinemark theater. You have shopping and entertainment at your fingertips. Tons of food options, plenty of entertainment, including local favorites like Nama Sushi Bar, Sticky Rice Cafe, Aubrey's West Hills, and French Market Creperie. Great place for brunch. Not to mention, if you're into specialty foods, you're just minutes from big box retailers like Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, and Target's, which makes running errands extremely convenient. One of the things that people love most about West Hills is the abundance of family-friendly community activities in the area. Each fall, the West Hills Fall Festival brings together food trucks, live music, and local vendors in the park. Great for families or meeting your neighbors. There's neighborhood-wide yard sales, and they're a big deal here. They're really well organized with a lot of participation across multiple streets. Great chance to meet your neighbors and find a deal. The West Hills Garden Club hosts beautification events all around the area. And you can tell because when you see what's going on throughout the West Hills area, you realize that keeping nature part of their community is something that's really important to the residents here. During the holidays, you'll find elaborate home light displays, especially along Sheffield Drive and Van Osdale Road. Families even do carriage rides through the neighborhood. So if you're serious about buying a home in West Hills, here's one of my insider tips that you need to know to make sure that you score the right home in the West Hills neighborhood. Homes here are highly desirable, and the average days on market is generally less than 2 weeks, especially if you're dealing with updated homes that are under $500,000. So my advice to you is make sure you're pre-approved. Reach out to us so we can send you our approved lender list and make sure that you are ready to go, ready to write a check, so that when the right home comes on the market, we're there to get inside get you a video tour if you're not available, or get you in the door for a showing, because these homes don't last long. Bonus tip, you want to work with somebody who is hearing about off-market deals, what we call pocket listings quite often. Sometimes they haven't even come to market yet, but they are available for sale. And that is the easiest way to beat other buyers to the punch and score a great property in an incredible neighborhood like West Hills.
Now you know why West Hills is one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Knoxville. From its unbeatable location to its amazing amenities, it truly has something for everyone. Whether you're a growing family or a young professional, or just looking to downsize to a rancher. And we also have a free guide that you can download with all of the most amazing homes in West Hills available now.
So if you like this video and you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Epic Outcomes. We're here with the Moving to Knoxville channel, and we're here to help you find your next home or sell your current home in the Knoxville area. Again, reach out to us, hit the number below. Feel free just to shoot us a text. We'll get back to you. If you want our free guide on West Hills or any of the other neighborhoods that we feature, just ping us. We'll be happy to get it to you as soon as possible. Remember, life wasn't meant to be average, so make it epic.